basta yung arising tayo to humanitarian progress. That's why here everybody is welcome. Everybody, I said everybody, ha? Okay. So wala tayong kinikilingan, walang pinoprotektan, sadyang katotohanan lang. Ang totoo, tao tayo, tama? O, mga tao tayo na kailangan igalang, respeto. So sa madaling salita, magrespetohan tayo regardless of what denomination we belong to. That is not the important here, no? Agenda here or criteria. Importante, nagkakasundo tayo, nagkakaisa for a purpose, which is humanitarian. So yun po, doctorate po ako ng humanities, as well as education. And then, kasi teacher po ako, professor by, yun ang aking kwan. So, ang unang na-establish ko po ay yung chaplaincy. So, regardless of kanya-kanyang religion yan, nagkaisa po kami. That's why I was able to spread out nationwide with chaplains holding every provincial. Kasi I go to the governor, endorsing, ganyan. So, ang maganda po kasi dito sa atin, we work federal. Pag sinabing federal, kanya-kanya tayo. Let's say, for example, si Pastor Arman, inassign ko sa, linagay ko siya. Baka na siya doon. It's his room. So, kasi pupunta tayo doon. Pero tayo, pre-practice na natin. Pre-practice na natin yung federalism. Actually, hindi maintindihan pa ng buong bansa ang ibig sabihin ng federalismo. Kaya dito, sa aming samahan nila, we are studying it, no? Andyan na lahat. Andyan na lahat yung aming spiritual. Kaya when we deal with spirituality, it covers all. It is a generalized. Ngayon, itong mga chaplaincy group na to, yan yung unang division na itinayo natin. That's why we were able to spread out nationwide. Out of the chaplaincy, I discovered, no? Kasi we were part of the election during the 2016, yung mga digong, sila active na tayo dyan. Kasi kilala din tayo sa industriya ng pelikula. Okay? Kasi meron po tayong mga members ng mga artista. Kaya, nag-branch out tayo ng production. Because ang production team is different in operation with the chaplaincy. Kasi chaplaincy is voluntary. Pag when you say volunteer, and then you are endorsed to the government, it's up to the government to give you whatever allowances you will be receiving out of the government funds. But then, dahil yung artista, hindi naman din yan regular. Tama? Mag-artista ka lang kung kinuha ka, nagustuhan ka ng director. Tama? Okay, isa sa mga director natin dito at mga konsulta na si Leo Martinez. Kaya po tayo sa Film Academy. Ngayon, ang isa pa po dyan ay yung production po natin is open then for workshops. So, meaning to say, it's not really a generating income. Kasi hindi naman tayo regular dyan. Kasi choosy din ako eh. Alam niyo yun?
Thank you.
Hindi basta-basta tayo pwedeng magkuha ng mga model, ng mga Ba't kita ipapasok, hindi ka naman karapat-dapat. Kasi bakit? Ang tinutumbok ko dito, character. Character pa rin. Bababa pa rin sa character. Tapos, kaya yung isang division naman ay nagbuo na tayo ng Alliance of Citizens Transforming naman mga seniors. Di ba maraming seniors na pasaway din?